Life can be pretty overwhelming sometimes. Wouldn't it be great if you could just squish your problems away? If you have a stress ball, you can! In this video, I'll be showing you just how to create your own squishy stress ball. First and foremost, supplies. You'll need a balloon. Make sure it's not a water balloon because that will break too easily. Flour, a measuring cup, and a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, just do what I did and cut a soda or water bottle in half. If you want to decorate your stress ball like I'm going to, grab a permanent marker and some ribbon. First, start by stretching out your balloon, especially the mouth of the balloon. This gives it less of a chance to break when you put it around the funnel. Next, put the balloon around the funnel. If you're using a bottle like I am, this may take several tries. After that, pour about half a cup of flour into your measuring cup. Now you can pour the flour into the funnel and start to fill your balloon. This is a process that will take some time. You'll need to sift the flour around a bit and squish the balloon in order to get it all in. Once you think the balloon is plump enough to your liking, go ahead and tie the balloon shut. You could stop there if you wanted, but I decided to continue by decorating my stress ball. Even though it's summer, I decided to decorate my stress ball with a pumpkin theme. I picked out some pumpkin ribbon and got a marker. First, I took the marker and drew a little face on my stress ball. I made it look like a cute little jack-o'-lantern. I gave it a little bit of time to dry so when I squished it, the face wouldn't smear. Next, I took my pumpkin ribbon and tied it around the top of my stress ball. And now I'm done! This is a really fun craft. They take no time at all and you can make as many as you like. Maybe you could give them as gifts to your friends and family. Have fun! School's starting up again and Momentum's got your back. We're fully online and ready to help you succeed at whatever you're struggling with. Check out our website for more details.